Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mind Fashion Studio. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women collection, cross-stitch embroidery, parrot ideas. Dear friends and subscribers, today I going to showing very attractive handmade pottery pattern ideas. This is very beautiful and elegant. Tarkashi and Charsuti embroidery design and pattern design. Very beautiful, very stylish cross-stitch embroidery. I have only ideas, videos. I must just show off this video. Gorgeous, fantastic and elegant designs of cross-stitch embroidered parrot patterns. If you like my video, I hope you like my video. You visit to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. These designs of cross stitch are also available in the market at reasonable prices. You can also visit the market. These designs are very fantastic, elegant and gorgeous. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you get all the notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel, Mind Fashion Studio. If you like this video, do click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media accounts. So do not tell me in the comments section to help me host my videos. Thanks so much for watching my video of my channel. Can help you to give beautiful ideas about cross-stitch embroidery pattern. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you. Friends, please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. I always try to bring useful ideas according to your choice. Best of luck, bundle of thanks. Take care, friend. Love, peace.